Hey there, team leaders and meeting masters. Ready to host your Microsoft team meeting like a pro? Well, buckle up because we are about to show you how to get started quickly and easily. First thing, open Microsoft Teams. You can see a sleek interface like this. Now, look to your left. Yeah, that's the calendar. Click on it to get started. Now, click the new meeting button up here. Just open the meeting scheduler. Let's give it a font name. How about Team Huddle? Make sure you set the date and time. Next up, who is joining? Add the email of your team member right here. You can even type a name if they are already in your organization. Once you are happy with the detail, hit send to invite everyone. Easy peasy. When it's time for a meeting, you will get a notification. Just click that join button and you are in. You will see a camera, mic, and screen share option here at the stem before you dive into the discussion. Now it's time to bring your team together. Use the chat to drop links, share ideas, or even use reaction like thumbs up to keep the energy up. And don't forget about screen sharing to make your point even clearer. Once the meeting is done, hit the red hang up button to end things. And that's it. You just hosted a smooth and successful team meeting. If this was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Microsoft Team tips.